Hello and welcome back to Miss Chappas's classroom. Today we're going to be taking a look at the NightLab tool scene. So go ahead and start on the NightLab homepage, nightlab.northwestern.edu. Once you're here, we can go find projects and select that. It's going to take us to this page where we can scroll down and see 6 different blocks. We're going to choose scene today. Once you see scene at the top of your screen, you're in the right place, so go ahead and click the green button that says Make a Scene. It's going to take you and prompt you to sign into a Google account. And then you can start a new project. So for this project, I'm just going to title it Wonders of the Ancient World. So now it's time to upload our photos. So I'm going to go ahead and click Add Photo. And the first one I want to add is the pyramids. And then for this description, we're just going to say the ancient pyramids of Giza. And we're going to upload it. All right, so that has been our first picture. I'm going to add just another one just so we get to see what more than one looks like. So for this one, I have a picture of the Parthenon that I want to use, the Acropolis in Athens. Once we upload both of those, we can go ahead and click the button in the top right corner to share it, just so that we can take a look at what it looks like. You can click this button, Preview. So now we're in a panorama view of these photos that we've added. You can see that you can click and drag with your mouse, or it'll kind of help move on your own. One of the things that's really important about using photos is that if they are just your standard taken on your phone or taken on a very basic camera, they will end up looking very distorted in this form. So you want to make sure that these pictures are something designed for panorama view, essentially. We can make it full screen. We can really get the full effect of this tool. I hope that was helpful. Happy scene making.